love to see it. Got Froggy versus Jaga. And which match?
Are you worthy of death?
I just don't know where this actually is. Okay. Round robin. Starting off strong. Both have hit each other immensely hard. Froggy with the drive rush. Oh yeah, these boys play the game. Set up with the fireball. Safe jump. Hit him with a grab. Hit him in the corner. 50-50. Check the feet. Let's seize, baby. What a punish. That was good. Good from Jaga right there. Get greasy with it. I'm gonna slip back in real quick. You mind if I slip back in real quick? Nice.
Round 2.
The spin it, only I can hit it. Can your eyes keep up with me, mortal? Nice. God, that was beautiful. That was so cool. It almost broke the whole setup. Froggy said, I'm in the air. Don't forget the name. Boy, I be flying. FroggyAirplane. Tornado setup. He was doing this before. Let's see what makes sense. Final round. Fight. Talk to him, Froggy. Put you in a $70 cutscene. What you know about it? I punched you so hard that the last thing you saw was the price tag on the gloves.
Akuma, round 1.
And that's a point on the board for Froggy. Let's see if y'all can adjust to that, because now it looks like Froggy didn't woke up. He said, I be out here soaring. That boy said, I'm out here flopping on a lily pad right now. What's up? Lily pad flying carpet. Hey, that's why they call him FroggyAirplane. Oh my God, I'm so smart. I'm so smart. That was such a good joke that only I can understand. Talk to him. Jaga said, I'm in there. What you got for dinner? Froggy said, what we got for dinner? You for the star. One touch. Oh, grab for grab. Oh, what's the mix? Oh my God, the Rashid kick.
Round 2.
Let's go, baby. Y'all get something in there. You can't count me out. You cannot count me out. 50 feet. Great Desert Storm. Another setup. He set it up for a grab, but he still got it out there. He trying to put Froggy in the blender, but Froggy he got that defense. He said, I be playing this game. Grab him. Ooh, nice. Touch him. And knock him out. Oh my God. Froggy said we in there. Broke it. Woo! Oh my God, Yaga's in there. He's calculating. Oh my God, one touch situation. And Froggy is solid with it. Let's go. It's 1-1 right now. Okay, y'all gotta bring it back and bring this back to a second game. Third game, actually. Talk to him. Write him a love letter. It's almost Valentine's. Catch this mix up. $70. The real $70. Catch this price tag. The deed is done. I would never want to fight this Akuma ever. Oh my god, they hit each other. They both thought the same thing. So much pressure from this Rashid. It's actually kind of nuts. They both burnt out, bro. He said, talk to him. Pull fireball. Got his bar back. Nice block, nice block. Now he's got his bar back. Okay, we see it. Now we got a match. It's 1-1 now. And this is the match. Who is going to go all the way? Froggy already putting on the pressure. He said, I'm not out of here yet. I'm not out of here yet. You got to respect me. We can't slow down here. It was an hour and a half drive here, but we can't slow down. Nice. This side switch. Froggy's in there. Talk to him. Oh my God, Jaga. And that is it. Let's see if y'all can adapt. Are you in here like I'm in here? Useless. Talk to him. Talk to him. Fireball. All the poke with the link. He said, let me show up for the stream real quick. Let me do something crazy. They both thinking. They both turtle. And a grab break. Let's go. Great Desert Storm. What's in there? I got sand. I got pocket sand in my pocket. Froggy's constant. I'm not gonna let this man do this. And that is it. Froggy takes it.